What's going on, guys? Colby here, back with another video. Today I have this mega Pokemon opening. Compiled a lot of Pokemon the last little bit, so just decided to rip it all at once. So let's just show you what I got. I got this Piplup tin. These are some Scarlet Violet tin. No, not Scarlet Violet, Crown Zenith, sorry. A couple Crown Zenith tins. A couple Scarlet Violet blisters. Couple of these mystery packs. Got Scarlet Violet 3-pack, Infernape V-Box, and this chest. I don't know what to call it. So give me a sec, I'll get it all like unpackaged and stuff, and I'll show you. Give me one sec. Okay, so I got it all unpackaged. This is the Infernape box here. Lost Origin, Fusion Strike, Lost Origin, Astral Radiance. This is that chest, Silver Tempest, Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike. This is the 3-pack, Scarlet Violet. These are the 2 blisters. I didn't open these yet, and obviously I'm not going to open those off camera because that's like the whole point, is to see which pack you're going to get. So let's just get into it. Let's start with the Infernape box. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. V-Star, Gastrodon, Lampent, Gift Energy, Blipbug, Phantump, Makuhita, Electrike, Murkrow, Hisuian Arcanine, and a Macargo. Let's go Fusion Strike. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Alright, Fighting, Corvisquire, Sandslash, Swadloon, Totodile, Phantump, Snorlax, Snom, Dreepy, Yveltal, Huntail. So nothing so far. Got Lost Origins here. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Alright. Electric, Gloom, Luminion, Mirage Gate, Oddish, Love Disc, Phalanx, Poliwag, Gligar, got Mienshao, and Dugong. Nothing in the Infernape box. One, two, three, 4 to the front. V-Star, Hippowdon, Dark Patch, Magneton, Mischievous, Barboach, Scyther, Eevee, Heracross, Registeel, Shaman. Wow, that was Dookie. That was Dookie. Okay, maybe the chest will be better. Silver Tempest. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Electric, Anorith, Matang, Dracloak, Phanpy, Litten, Rufflet, Fennekin, Durant, Virizion, sorry, and a Alolan Vulpix. So at least we got something. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Alright, got Grass, Emergency Jelly, excuse me, Clang, Legender, Murkrow, Swablu, Rotom, Baneri, Dreepy, got a Radiant Alakazam, and a Hollow Reuniclus. I always forget how to say his name. So, got a 2-for-1 there. Getting some Astral Radiance. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Psychic, Wheat Seed Turbo, Shieldon, Celine, Mantine, Hisuian Voltorb, Basculin, Glameow, Poochyena, got a Mamoswine, and a Glaceon. Next pack. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Water, Kamado, Jubilee Village, Dartrix, Drifloon, Sudowoodo, Magnemite, Ralts, Suey and Sneasel, got a Curlia, and Stickin', got a full art Heatran, not bad. I'll take those. Fusion Strike up next. Slide me a Gengar real quick. Will not complain. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Fire, Simipour, Primate, Shauna, Indeedee, Galarian Darumaka, Pancham, Wooloo, Pansage, Vikavolt. I see some shine. There's a Bolton V. Still, we did pretty good on that one compared to freaking the first box. That was terrible. Alright, now, let's do one of these mystery packs. They were virtually the same price as the other ones, so I thought, you know what, just for a little bit of fun. See if we can't pull something nice. And Guardians Rising. That's a different pack. Let's see what we can get in here. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Let's see. Water, Energy Loto, Sableye, Marini, Gligar, Bellsprout, Cottonee, Alolan Sandshrew, Mudbray, Murkrow. Okay, got a Holo. Oop. Holo Drampa. Alright, let's go into some Scarlet Violet. These are the 3 packs. Scarlet and Violet has no card trick needed. See something, oh, see something shiny, it's the Holo. Go-Go, Scatterbug, Shuppet, Sprigatito, Electric Generator, got Wugtrio, Floatzel, Reverse Holo Flabebe, Reverse Holo Poundstone, and an Annihilate on the Holo. So I guess I'll still separate those. Got Mareep, Silicobra, Bisharp, Riolu, Sandaconda, Staraptor, Katie, got Rock Chestplate, Reverse, Cyclizar, Reverse, and a Toxicroak EX. Beautiful. Alright. Got Wattrel, Smoliv, Primate, Palmy, Greedent, Crocodile, Flamigo. Got a Flamigo, Reverse, Ralts Reverse, and a Slowbro on the Holo there. Let's go. Let's try out this Piplup tin. See what it's all about. See what it's all about. Pikachu coin, Piplup. Yeah, Fusion Strike and Chilling Reign. See what's in here. Do Fusion Strike first. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Psychic, Alessa Sparkle, Croconaw, Darkrai, Sizzlipede, Darumaka, Rickety, Makuhita, Dreepy, got a Reverse Holo Impidimp, and a Virizion. Not for the first pack. Just Chilling Reign pack. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Dark, Avery, Ledian, Old Cemetery, Crabrawler, Golett, Porygon, Grookey, Mareep, Reverse Holo Lucky Energy, and a Holo Tauros. and pretty good for hollows. Let's do a little bit. Let's do some Crown Zenith. Alright. Yeah. This is a sticker, I think. This is a sticker. You get the card. And you get the 2 packs. Crown Zenith, definitely a nice set. Let's see if we can't pull a nice one in here. Okay, Metal. Lunaton, Soul Rock, Lost Vacuum, Meowth, Retrieval, Shanks, Larvesta, Poniard. Ooh, we got a Galarian Gallery, Grant, and a Volcarona. I like that card a lot. Alright, next pack. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got Water, Energy Switch, Trekking Shoes, Lunaton, Ball Toy, Meowth, Energy Retrieval, Shinx, Larvesta. Got another Galarian Gallery. Got the Swablu, bit off centered, and a Volcanion Hollow. So that was pretty good. Let's go back into Scarlet Violet. These are the 2 single blisters. What am I doing? You don't have to do a card trick. Oop, I was close. At least I caught myself. Switch, Fuecoco, Tropius, Pokeball, Titan, Team Star Grunt, Zangoose. Got a Team Star Grunt, Reverse, Dolive, and a Hollow Meridian. Or Miraidon, sorry. And another one of the singles. Almost did the card trick again. You didn't see that. Got a Scatterbug, Drifloon, Sprigatito, Flittle, Bombardier, Hypno, Beachcore, got a Houndour, a Dolive, and a Professor's Research. Let's do the next one of these, and we'll end it on Crown Zenith. Alright, just Lost Origins. But we got to see Guardians Rising, which is pretty cool. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Okay. Got Fire, Lost City, Gift Energy, Lampent, Shuppet, Murkrow, Electric, Makuhita, Phantomp, Rhydon, Porygon Z. Nothing in that one. Let's finish it off with this Crown Zenith. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Let's see here. Water, Shaman, Friends in Hisui, Carnivine, Starly, Scyther, Pokeball, Young Goose, Cherubi, Reverse Hollow Riolu, and a Zeraora. So nothing in that pack. Let's see if we can finish it strong. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Let's end on a banger. Got Dark, Solrock, Crocorock, Luxio, Pokeball, Corphish, Oddish, Seal, Kricketot, got a Bisharp, and finishing on Executor. Overall, it wasn't nothing crazy. It wasn't too bad. Got a couple nice. I like this Grant card. Got Toxicroak EX. A lot of hollows and stuff. Full Art Heatran, Radiant. Wasn't too bad. that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. It's a bit of a longer opening. I'm a little tired now. So that's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all that stuff. Follow my Instagram link in the description, and peace out.